Delay is a time-based audio effect that can add depth, space, and character to your tracks. Here are 5 tips to help you use delay more effectively. Create a sense of depth. Delay can help create a sense of depth and space in your mix. By adding delay to a sound, you can make it sound like it's in a larger room or space. Be mindful of the feedback. The feedback control on a delay effect determines how many times the delayed signal is repeated. Be careful not to set the feedback too high, as this can create an unpleasant and chaotic sound. Use different types of delay. Different types of delay have different characteristics and can be used for different purposes. For example, tape delay is known for its warm and saturated sound, while digital delay has a cleaner and more precise sound. Use automation to create movement. By automating the level or feedback of your delay, you can create movement and interest in your mix. For example, you could automate the feedback of a vocal delay to make it longer during the chorus. Use EQ to shape your delay. EQ can be used to shape the frequency response of your delay. For example, you can use EQ to cut out low frequencies from your delay to prevent it from interfering with the bass and kick drum. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.